ওয়েলকাম টু নীলদিঘি। আজ আমি মোডাল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্ক ক্লাস 11-এর প্রশ্ন উত্তর নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন নীরাজ ফ্রেন্ড থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে। ইন এনি কেস উই কুডন্ট হ্যাভ কেপ্ট এ ক্রিমিনাল লাইক হিম ইন দ্য হাউস। হু ইজ দ্য স্পিকার? হুম ডাজ ক্রিমিনাল রেফার টু? হোয়াট মেসেজ ইজ কনভেড বাই দিস সেন্টেন্স ইন দ্য স্টোরি? আমি কেবল অ্যান্সারটাই বলে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা নোটস করে নিও। দ্য স্পিকার ইজ মিস্টার শিবশঙ্কর ইন আর কে নারায়ণ's শর্ট স্টোরি লীলাজ ফ্রেন্ড। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, হেয়ার ক্রিমিনাল refers to Siddha employed by Mr. Shivshankar to be a servant in their house. Next question, in this story the human interest of the story is revealed. The attitude of Leela's parents is altogether different. They are selfish, materialistic, suspicious, ever. Naturally, when Leela's gold chain is lost, they straightly suspect Siddha. They even put him in the police custody on a false charge. At last, the chain is found, but they do nothing to amend the grave wrong done by them to Siddha. They are the people who care only for their own petty gains and losses. Honesty, mutual trust, and true friendship have no values to them. The harsh treatment meted out to him bring out the prejudices of the elite society who possess power towards the disempowered section of society. এবার ওয়েস্টমিনিস্টার ব্রিজ থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে। 2 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, ইন দ্য পোয়েম আপন ওয়েস্টমিনিস্টার ব্রিজ how does Wordsworth describe the different sights seen in early morning? In this poem, Wordsworth describes attractive sights seen in his native city of London in the early morning. The poet is impressed by the beauty of London city in the early morning sunlight. The poet finds the majestic sight to be full of inspiration. The city is fully clothed in the beauty of the morning. The din and bustle of the day had not begun yet. The ships, the towers, and the buildings are glimmering in the sun. The poet finds the unparalleled beauty of the morning spread over valleys, rocks, and hills. The massive pulse of civilization is lying in calm peace. 3 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, এটা কমেডি অফ এরার্স থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে। রাইট দ্য সিগনিফিক্যান্স অফ দ্য টাইটেল ইন দ্য কমেডি অফ এরার্স। দ্য টেল অফ দ্য কমেডি অফ এরার্স ইজ রিয়েলি কমিক্যাল। The major characters are all caught in some critical situations, unwillingly make errors after errors. The two brothers named Antipholus and their twin slaves named Dromio are same in look. They are separated from childhood by a shipwreck. Surprisingly, when both brothers and slaves are in Ephesus without knowing each other, a terrible confusion occurs. Eventually, all errors are sorted out. Indeed, the root of all confusions, cries, and hilarious situations is the error of identification. So, the title is suitably chosen. এটা অ্যাজ ইউ লাইক থেকে না হয়েছে। Why was the adversity of the forest of Arden preferred to the courtier's life? The old duke, deposed by his younger brother, retired with his faithful followers to the forest of Arden. They felt it to be more relaxing than the life of a court. Getting accustomed to the lazy life of it. In summer, they took rest under the shade of the trees, watching the powerful sports of the wild deer. In winter, he suffered from cold winds which were his true counselors. He remarked that men might say against adversities, but the Duke drew lessons from nature. He could find tongues in trees, books in the running brooks, sermons in stones, and good in everything. The two hearts beating each to each, whose hearts are referred to here. How do the two hearts meet? Answer. The hearts of the two lovers are referred in the poem Meeting at Night, written by Robert Browning. It is night time, and after reaching the cove, the poet walks a mile along the beach, stepping on the warm sand, and then crosses 3 fields until he arrives a farm. He then taps at the window, and someone inside lights a match. The poet then goes on to describe how overwhelmed he feels by the beauty of his and his lovers' hearts as they reunite. They begin to release the blissful, ecstatic charm of love in utter secrecy. Contrast the characters of Sir Mohanlal and his wife in the story Konma. Mohanlal and his wife Lakshmi are diametrically opposite characters. Mohanlal is an Anglophile who earns to leave his Indian origin behind and imitates the English. He travels first class since he considers himself one of English gentry who rides first class. Mr. Lal is unlike her husband in taste and disposition. She is a traditional Indian woman. She travels in intra-class women's compartment, and Mr. and Mrs. Lal share a strained relationship. He wears balliol tie, reads a British newspaper. His illiterate wife is dressed an untidy way. Mr. Lal is more attracted even to the prostitutes of Piccadilly than his wife. Lakshmi is happy with her Indian husband.